Hello student, welcome back Gyan Jyoti online classes. Student, now we will discuss about the electricity and circuits. Okay, so student, in our previous video we have discussed the chapter number 11 and now we come chapter number 12, that is electricity and circuits. Okay, so student, now let's start some subjective type questions. Okay, first pick the correct answer. A, first question, you can see your book 117 page. Okay, so student, which of these can produce electric current? Okay, cells, option B batteries, option C solar cell, and option D all of these. Okay, student, listen, in here option A that also produce the cells that also produce electric current, and batteries also produce electric current, and solar cells also can produce electric current. And students, so in here option A, B, C, all these produce electricity, so all of these is the correct. Okay, so you have to pick number A. Okay, all of these. Number 2, which of the following materials is an insulator? Okay, so student, we already know that the conductor, insulator. Okay, so insulator that cannot pass the electricity. Okay, so insulators, some of the insulator wood that electricity cannot pass through them. Okay, and some of the other, that paper, that plastic also. Okay, and some of the good conductor, that iron, aluminum, copper. Okay, so student, which of the following materials is an insulator? In here option A aluminum, option B gold, option C rubber, and option D graphite. Okay, so insulator, the correct answer is rubber, because rubber they cannot, or rubber that cannot pass through electricity, and aluminum that can pass through the electricity. Okay, so rubber is the right answer. Number 3, the flow of current in a circuit is controlled by option A switch, option B cell, option C wire, and option D fuse. Okay, so student, where is current going and where is current move, and how to we can control, mainly in our hand, that switch. We can control the electricity by the help of switch. Okay. Number 4, the closed path in which the current flows is called a option A circuit, option B current, option C conductor, and option D bulb. Okay, so closed path in which the current flows is called a circuit. Okay, number 5, which of the following is a conductor of electricity? Okay, rubber, copper, plastic, and glass. Okay, so student, in here rubber, that is insulator, copper, that is conductor, and plastic, that is insulator, and glass also insulator. Okay, okay student, next now we come fill in the blanks. Okay, number B. An electric cell, number 1 student, an electric cell has two terminals. So student, we already know about the electric cell, or electric cell have two terminal. So one is called DAX, and while the other is called DAX. Student, one is called positive terminal and another is negative terminal. Okay, student, in here number 2, flow of charges in a circuit is called DAX current. Okay, flow of charge move in a circuit, that is electric current. Student, number 3, an electric bulb has a DAX that is connected to its terminal. Okay, so electric bulb has a filament. Okay, okay, filament that is connected to its terminal. Okay, number 4, DAX are the materials that allow electricity to pass through them. Okay, so conductors, one of the materials, suppose iron. Okay, iron are the materials that allow electricity to pass through them, and the conductor, mainly we can say conductor. Number 8, dry cell converts DAX energy into DAX energy. Okay, so student, dry cell converts chemical energy into electrical energy. Electrical energy. Okay. Okay. Student, now we come state true or false. Number C, state true or false. Okay. First statement, electric current can flow through all kinds of materials. Okay, so student, electric current can flow through the only conductor. They can flow by the conductor. Okay, so student, conductor, that materials, that is false statement. Number 1, false statement, because all materials that include insulator and conductor also, but insulator, they cannot conduct electricity, or they cannot pass electricity. Okay. Number 2, a cell converts electrical energy into chemical energy. No, student, we already just in our previous number, fill in the blanks, we have did that electric cell convert that chemical energy to electrical energy. So student, in here opposite of this that number, that is electric cell converts electrical energy to chemical energy, that is wrong point. Okay, so this is also false statement. Number 3, in an electric circuit, source of electricity is bulb. No, student, in an electric circuit, the source of electricity, that is the where it come, electricity where it come from. So mainly the cells or batteries. Okay, so this is also false statement. Number 4, okay, number 4, paper is a good conductor of electricity. No, student, paper, they cannot pass through the electricity. Okay, so paper is not a good conductor. Okay, that is also false statement. Number 8, in a closed circuit, okay, a bulb glows while in an open circuit. Bulb does not glow. Yes, closed circuit, जब क्लोज सर्किट में होता है बल्ब तो वो क्या करेगा, ग्लो करेगा, ठीक है, जलेगा। और वो जब ओपन सर्किट में रहेगा तो उसमें वो ग्लो नहीं करते। यस, ट्रू स्टेटमेंट। नेक्स्ट, नाउ वी कम नंबर डी। स्टूडेंट, नाउ नंबर डी has the columns. Okay, so cell, in here cell, electric circuit, conductor, electric current, battery, a material that allows the flow of electric current, a device which converts chemical energy into electrical energy, and a combination of cell in a specific order. The path along which electric current flows, the energy which flows in an electric circuit. Okay, so student, first you have to make cell. Okay, cell, a device which convert chemical energy into electrical energy. Okay, and electric circuit, the path along which electric current flows. Next, conductor. Okay, so conductor, a material that allows the flow of electric current. Conductor, what type of material? Conductor. Okay, and electric current. Okay, electric current, energy which flows in an electric circuit. And last one, battery, a combination of cell in a specific number. You have to match numbers, number 8, number 6. Okay, so student, you have to match number 1 B, number 2 electric circuit D, and number 4 number 3 conductor, that number 8 material that allows the flows of electric current, and number 4 electric current, the energy which flows in an electric circuit, and last one battery, a combination of cell in a specific order. Okay, now come next number E. Find the odd one out. Number 2, rubber, plastic, safety pin, and sheet of paper. Sheet of paper. Okay. Number 3, bulb, switch, battery, torch. Number 4, zinc metal, carbon rod, filament, manganese. Okay. Manganese dioxide. Okay, student. So see the blackboard. Copper, aluminum, glass, and graphite. Okay, so copper, good conductor of electricity. Aluminum also good conductor of electricity. Graphite also good conductor of electricity. But glass, insulator, that is bad conductor of insulator. Okay, bad conductor of electricity. Okay. Next one, number 2, rubber, plastic, safety pin, and sheet of paper. Okay, student, in here you can imagine some of the materials that pass the electricity, that is safety pin, and all these are rubber, plastic, sheet of paper, that is insulator, safety pin, odd one. Okay, among these, and bulb, switch, battery, and torch. Okay, this is we can use a circuit, but torch, that is already the source of the light, so we can use a circuit, bulb, switch, and battery. Okay. Next one, zinc metal, carbon rod, filament, and manganese oxide. So manganese oxide, manganese dioxide. Okay, so zinc metal, carbon rod, and filament, that is filament made of the tungsten. Okay, so that is filament made of the tungsten. See, this is odd one, filament. Okay. Next, student, very short answer type questions. Okay. Very short answer type questions. 1. Can we use one cell in place of 2 in TV remote? ओके स्टूडेंट, देखो अगर हम टीवी रिमोट जो होते हैं रिमोट, उसमें क्या होता है, अगर 2 सेल की जगह 1 सेल यूज करेंगे तो वो क्या इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कंडक्ट करेगा, उसमें पास होगा? नो, इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. जो से टर्मिनल है वो टच उसमें नहीं होगी वन साइड. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट, वेरी शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चन. नंबर number F, very short answer type questions. Okay, so can we use one cell in place of 2 in TV remote? No. Next number 2, from where do we get electricity? what is used to make the filament of a bulb. Okay, that is mainly the bulb of filament that is made of tungsten. Number 4, name the most paste present in a dry cell, that is aluminum chloride. Ammonium chloride. Number 5, how many terminals does an electric cell have? Student, electric cell have 2 terminals. One is positive terminal, another is negative terminal. Okay. Next, now we come short answer type questions. Number G. Okay. Number G. What is the significance of a switch? Okay. So switch is useful to control the flow of electric current in a circuit. Okay. Number G1. Switch is useful to control the flow of electric current. In a circuit. Okay, student, switch is useful to control the flow of electric current in a circuit. Okay. Next one, list few uses of electricity. Okay. So, student, electricity that used factories to run machineries, and it's used at homes for working of home appliances, and it is used in school and offices. Okay, so uses of electricity. Number 2, used in factories to run machineries. To run machinery. Another point, it is used at home for working of home working of home appliances. Number C, it is used in schools and offices. It is used in school and offices. Okay, student. So number 1 and this is number 2, uses of electricity. It is used in factories to run machineries. And second one, it is used at homes for working of home appliances. And some of the appliances like grinder and our washing machine. Okay, so it is used in schools and offices. Okay, now we come number 3. Okay, student, number 3, write few safety measures while handling electrical appliances. ठीक है, तो हम भी जब जो भी हम इलेक्ट्रिकल अप्लायंसेस है, ठीक है, जो जितने भी है, ठीक है, घर में भी हो सकता है वो, और ऑफिस में भी, स्कूल में भी, तो उसको हम कैसे उसको हम अप्लायंसेस को हम उसमें बचेंगे, ठीक है, हैंडलिंग से. ठीक है, ओके. सो वी शुड नॉट पुट एनी वेयर और फिंगर नियर दी सॉकेट्स और इनसाइड देम. ठीक है, तो कोई भी उसमें सॉकेट जो होते हैं, ठीक है, उसमें हमें फिंगर नहीं डालना है उसमें, और उसमें वायर नहीं कनेक्ट करना है. ठीक है, ओके स्टूडेंट. सो नंबर 3, मेजर टू बी टेकन while handling electrical appliances. Are number A, we should not put anywhere or finger near this socket or inside them. Number B, the two terminals of the electric cell should not be joined without connecting. Then to the switch or a bulb. Okay. Next point, number C, we should not touch electrical appliances Okay, we should not touch electrical appliances with wet hand. Okay. So student, in here that point, how can we measure to taken while handling electrical appliances? Okay. So we should not put any. Okay. We should not put any wire or finger near the socket or inside them. Okay. कोई socket में इसमें हमें हाथ नहीं रखना है. Okay. Point number 2, the two terminals of the electric cell should not be joined, okay, without connecting them to the switch or bulb. बिना switch और bulb उसमें दिए नहीं देने तक हमें दो टर्मिनल, पॉजिटिव, one is positive terminal, another is negative terminal, तो दोनों टर्मिनल को हमें कनेक्ट नहीं करना है, ठीक है, बिना स्विच में. एंड थर्ड वन, we should not touch electrical appliances with wet hands. ठीक है, हम जब भी वाटर कुछ लिक्विड सब्सटेंस पकड़े रहते हैं उससे हमें इलेक्ट्रिक एप्लायंसेस को नहीं छूना है. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट वन, नंबर 4, नेम द मोस्ट पेस्ट प्रेजेंट इन ए स्टूडेंट. नंबर 5th, नंबर 4. Okay, student. Number 4. What do you mean by a fuse bulb? Okay. So, student, a bulb which does not get heat up or does not glow by passing current through its terminals and filaments is called a fuse bulb. देखो स्टूडेंट, यहाँ पे क्या है कि जो बल्ब है, ठीक है, इसमें हीट अप नहीं होगा, ठीक, मतलब उसमें हीट नहीं होगा. उसके बाद इट और डज नॉट ग्लो बाय पासिंग करंट, करंट देने से वो नहीं जलेगा. ठीक है. एंड थ्रू इट्स टर्मिनल्स एंड फिलामेंट इज कॉल्ड ए फ्यूज बल्ब. ठीक है, उसमें टर्मिनल और जो फिलामेंट है वो बिल्कुल ही काम नहीं है. ठीक है, वो तो ये फ्यूज बल्ब. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट स्टूडेंट, नंबर 5th, एक्सप्लेन व्हाट इज डोमेस्टिक सर्किट. ओके. So, the process of receiving a supply of electric power through a main supply, either a supported through overhead electric pole or by underground cables is called domestic circuit. The three wires running in our houses are red, black और green. देखो स्टूडेंट, जो मेन कनेक्शन है, ठीक है, मेन कनेक्शन से रिसीव करते हैं, सप्लाई होता है इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. ठीक है, पावर थ्रू ए मेन सप्लाई. ठीक है, मेन थ्रू से हम हमारे घर में इलेक्ट्रिसिटी लाते हैं. ठीक है. एंड सपोर्टेड थ्रू ओवरहेड इलेक्ट्रिक पोल्स. ठीक है, इसमें इलेक्ट्रिक पोल है. एंड और बाय अंडरग्राउंड केबल्स इट्स कॉल्ड डोमेस्टिक सर्किट, और वो अंडरग्राउंड केबल भी हो सकते हैं. ठीक है. एंड द थ्री वेयर्स रनिंग इन आवर हाउसेस. ठीक है, जो इसमें 3 वेयर रहता है जिसका कलर है, हाउसेस आर 3 रनिंग. ठीक है, वेयर जो है उसमें रेड, ब्लैक और ग्रीन. ओके. सो दिस इज द डोमेस्टिक सर्किट. ओके. नेक्स्ट, नंबर 6, ड्रॉ ए सर्किट डायग्राम कंसिस्टिंग a bulb, a battery of 3 cells and open switch and connecting wire. Okay, student, number 6, draw a circuit diagram consisting bulb, a battery of 3 cells and open switch and connecting wire. तो देखो यहाँ स्टूडेंट, नंबर 6 एक बल्ब है, एक 3 सेल का बैटरी, और ओपन सर्किट. ओपन सर्किट है तो इसमें करंट फ्लो नहीं करेंगे, इसलिए हम इसका ये जो करंट का डायरेक्शन है, ठीक है, किस तरह वो मूव करेगा. तो जब हम क्लोज करेंगे सर्किट को तभी वो मूव होगा, इसलिए इसमें हम ये इसका डायरेक्शन शो नहीं करेंगे. ठीक है। 3 सेल ऑफ बैटरी बोले हैं, ठीक है, यहाँ 1 2 3 सेल का बैटरी बनाना है। तो करंट जब पास होता है पॉजिटिव टू नेगेटिव होता है तो ये बल्ब ग्लो करेगा, लेकिन इसमें बल्ब जो है ये ग्लो नहीं करेगा क्योंकि ये ओपन सर्किट है, ठीक है। ओके स्टूडेंट, सो यू हैव टू ड्रॉ दिस टाइप ऑफ सर्किट, ओके एंड ओके student, now we come number H. Answer the following type long answer type questions. Okay, so first describe electric bulb with the help of a diagram. ठीक है, इलेक्ट्रिक बल्ब बनाना है, उसका पर्टिकुलर यू हैव टू फॉलो पेज नंबर 113. ओके, और इसमें देखो स्टूडेंट इलेक्ट्रिक बल्ब बनाना है और उसके इलेक्ट्रिक बल्ब का small glass envelope and contain a thin coil wire made of tungsten called filament. Okay, so next number इसको ड्रॉ करना है और इसका प्रॉपर इसको डिस्क्राइब करना है. ओके, नंबर 2 गिव द प्रोसीड्यूर टू मेक ए बैटरी. ठीक है, ये इसका हम इसके प्रोसीड्यूर जो है बैटरी का उसको बनाना है. ठीक है, सो यू हैव टू draw. Okay, next number 3 what does an electric circuit consist of? Describe open and closed circuit. ठीक है, दो एक ओपन सर्किट बनाना है और एक क्लोज सर्किट. ठीक है, और उसको डिस्क्राइब करना है. नंबर 4 describe dry cell with the help of a diagram. ठीक है, डायग्राम बनाना है, उसमें जो जो मटेरियल है उसको लिखना है. ठीक है, नंबर 5 describe the structure of torch and explain its working with the help of a circuit diagram. ठीक है स्टूडेंट, यू हैव टू फॉलो पेज नंबर 114. ओके, टर्च का उसका जो है डायग्राम बनाना है और उसको प्रॉपरली डिस्क्राइब करना है. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट दिस इज योर लॉन्ग टाइप क्वेश्चंस, सो यू हैव टू ट्राई एंड यू हैव टू सॉल्व दिस properly. Okay, so student, this is your chapter number 12 that already we have completed. Next we will do chapter number 14 because chapter 13 that skip for our second terminal. Okay, so student, thank you, have a nice day.